Now, in the question, you are given, well, because it was on the elevator, right? So U is equal to 0. You're given T is 0.6, and you're given S is 2 meters. Okay, so if we write down A is equal to V minus U over T, we can also write down V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, right? Okay, so we know that U is equal to V. Sorry, U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. We can say, therefore, that A is equal to V over T, right? And then here, we know that U is equal to 0. We can say that V squared is equal to 2AS. Right, so let's rearrange for V. So from here, from that, V is equal to AT, isn't it? V is equal to AT. Now, what happens if I square both sides? If I square both sides, I will have V squared equals A squared T squared, right? Now that and that is the same. So I can say that if that is equal to that, then that must equal to this. So we can say that A squared T squared is equal to 2AS. And then, because we want to work out A, right? So divide both sides by A, you get A T squared equals 2S, and therefore A is equal to 2S over T squared. Now, in the question, S is equal to 2 meters, and T is equal to 0.6. So A is equal to 2 lots of 2 divided by 0.6 squared. And okay, so here you have 4 divided by 0.6 squared, and you should get 11.111 recurring. So you should have 11.11 meters per second squared. Now that's the acceleration. Now let's draw a diagram. For these types of questions, you need to draw a diagram. So remember, in the diagram, you have, and then it's holding a briefcase. Now let's just magnify that, right? Let's just magnify that. So you have that piece of string, you have the briefcase, and you know the briefcase is 3 kilograms. So the briefcase is 3 kilograms. So you know the weight is 3 times g, isn't it? So the weight, that's the weight, right? And then you've got the tension holding that up. So you got that tension in that. So that's tension, right? And you know that the lift is moving up, it's accelerating, it's moving up with what, 11.11. So that's the acceleration. Now we need to draw the diagram. So it's moving up, isn't it? So what are the forces in this diagram? So you got the force there, tension. You got another force, which is weight. So you need to write down T minus 3G is equal to MA, isn't it? The resultant force is always equal to MA, and the resultant is this tension minus the weight, right? So it's the tension minus the weight. So T minus 3G is equal to MA, but what's M? M is 3. So T minus 3G equals 3A. The question's asking for tension. So rearranging this, you get tension equals 3A plus 3G. We worked out what A was. A was this one, right? 11.11. So 3 times 11.11, add 3 times 9.81. And what do you get on a calculator? So 3 times 9.81 equals, and I'm adding brackets 3 lots of 11.1111 recurring.